How to fix Instagram and not showing gallery photos on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram and not showing gallery photos on Android or iOS phone. First, if you have an Android, go to settings, scroll down until you find here apps, and then click apps again, type here Instagram, click on it, then click storage and click clear cache, and go to permissions. Here we'll find storage, click on it, maybe you'll find it or deny, and if you found it here on allow, just click deny and then click on it again and click allow, and that's it. And if you have an iPhone, just open your settings, then go to privacy settings, and make sure that photos permission is enabled for Instagram. And that's it. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.